VET could make a huge comeback. It's one to watch out for. The use of blockchain technology has been booming everywhere in the world. The blockchain tech itself is considered to address real-world challenges and difficulties. VeChain is one such blockchain that attempts to fix the world's widespread issues. With its proficiency in supply chain management technology, it's piqued the public's interest. And that's why we're here with you today. Keep in mind that when it comes to your hard-earned cash, we don't claim to be financial experts, so at the end of the day, it's entirely up to you what you do with the information we provide in our content. Are you thinking of adding VET to your portfolio? Look no further, because our prediction will give you realistic pricing forecasts for 2022 and the years ahead, helping you to understand VeChain better. Before we go any further, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about other potential coins for investment. VeChain's native asset, VET, has recently been away from the market's glitter and hype, and that's caused investors to become interested in VeChain's price projections since the asset is now offered at a discount. But what is it exactly, and what does it do? What's VeChain? VeChain is a blockchain-based platform with the goal of improving supply chain management with its VET and VTHO native coins. Its ultimate mission is to give traders the best resources for solving real-world economic problems by maximizing supply chain scalability, efficiency, and monitoring while giving individual traders great autonomy. What makes VeChain unique is that it strives to eliminate supply chain bottlenecks and presents itself as a saving grace for traders running into problems with the current economic market. Additionally, the VeChain Thor blockchain for decentralized apps was redesigned and released in December 2017, and they have successfully made a name for themselves as a blockchain service provider for companies of all sizes ever since it first came out in 2016. The project is managed by the VeChain Foundation, a non-profit organization founded in Singapore back in 2017. The initiative is well known for its partnerships with large corporations such as Microsoft, Shanghai Gas, Walmart China, BMW Group, and H&M, to name a few. Yeah, they've been in the big leagues since the beginning. They definitely mean business. VeChain aspires to be a major platform for initial coin offerings in the future, and also a platform for making transactions between the Internet of Things and its connected devices. Let's finally discuss the price projections with the mildly boring stuff out of the way. Do you think being affiliated with these big names made a difference in the market value? Let's find out. Price analysis. In late July 2018, VeChain was listed on cryptocurrency exchanges and traded in the 2 cents to 3 cent bracket. But unfortunately, VeChain quickly broke out of that range and began to experience serious fluctuations, which brought its price down between the beginning and the middle of August. The dip was quickly followed by a comeback, with the value reaching 2 cents by September. Unfortunately, the recovery didn't last, and a sustained decline followed. From there, the price fell by December, and VeChain ended 2018 with a price of 0.4 cents. The price of VET was locked in the 0.4 cent and 0.5 cent range by the end of Q1 2019 and was able to break out of the range by March, climbing to 0.7 cents. The currency continued to rise after sliding back to 0.5 cents in April, reaching a high of 0.9 cents in June. Unfortunately, yet again, VET was unable to maintain these levels and fell until it found support at around 0.2 cents in late October, probably with a new partnership. As the asset gained traction, it soon rebounded and encountered resistance at 0.8 cents in November. Its first attempt to break through this level failed, resulting in a pullback to 0.4 cents. Thankfully, VeChain started steadily rising after the beginning of 2020, and in February, it retested the resistance level of 0.8 cents. But even so, the entire crypto market crashed around that time, and despite all the efforts that VeChain was making, VET reached a new low of 0.1 cents on March 13th, along with other cryptocurrencies failing as well. Later, with Bitcoin's price hike, VET soared to 0.2 cents and then began to fall yet again. By early December, VET was trading at 0.15 cents, and by the end of 2020, it rose again to 0.19 cents. In July, VeChain teamed up with ReSea to prevent thousands of pounds of garbage from polluting the ocean. Because of this initiative, the price reached 15 cents on September 5th, 2021. But yet again, something held them back, and the price increase was hurt by 23.3% thanks to market instability following the Chinese crypto market crisis. The platform's Proof of Authority 2.0 got upgraded next, and they defied odds again and recovered to 11 cents. In 2021, VeChain was renamed VeChain Thor, This was also the time when they established a partnership with BMW, international automobile manufacturer you've certainly heard of, and one of the biggest names they could have gone for. With the use of the blockchain, VeChain Thor allows businesses like BMW to trace their products throughout their full supply chain cycle. Why? This helps big manufacturers keep a close eye on their quality standards, because obviously they wouldn't want their name to have a bad image. In the event that things go wrong again, the price might drop again. But if the number of adoptions and partnerships keep increasing, the price might rise in the next 5 years. Let's take a further look at what direction the token may head in. Price prediction. In the second quarter of 2022, VeChain's price would need to gain traction to increase beyond 6 cents, allowing it to reach its objective of 5 cents. Following that, a lack of volume and the existence of bearish patterns on the downside might drive the price down below 6 cents. But if buying and selling forces are balanced, the price might end up at 8 cents, continuing the upward trend from the second quarter. By the middle of August, the digital asset might touch dangerous levels of around 14 cents. But then again, the price might rise to its theoretical high of 17 cents if substantial partnerships, collaborations, and upgrades are announced like before. While price movements that aren't influenced by external causes might settle at 13 cents, a hypothetical market drop owing to fear, uncertainty, and doubt, on the other hand, might push the price down to 9 cents. VET prices could seek support from strong social sentiment as the fourth quarter begins. This will have the potential to ramp up the price to 21 cents, which is the price's imminent obstacle. A rise from there might allow the currency to reach a new all-time high of 28 cents. Then again, smaller competitors and competitive pressures may force the price down to 14 cents, but the average price might settle at 19 cents if the bullish and bearish goals are achieved. If the VET network is used by well-known entities like Bitcoin, the year 2023 may offer gains for its value. The price might rise to 62 cents as the blockchain transforms logistics and supply chains. Nonetheless, if the protocol fails to achieve its goals, the price could drop to 38 cents. From our point of view, we think it'll be easier for businesses to adopt VET's platform if it's capable of providing complete and thorough unification with the real world. As a result, VeChain might hit a high of $1.05 in the next 5 years. If the bears succeed in reversing the rise, the price could also go as low as 89 cents. Anything can happen, really. But let's take a look at what the popular algorithms say with their predictions. What do prediction services say? According to the analysts at Digital Coin, by the end of 2022, VET prices are predicted to reach a high of 8 cents. On the other hand, the average price forecast for 2023 is 8 cents and 12 cents for 2025. According to Trading Beasts, the VeChain price will reach 9 cents before the end of 2022, and the service expects that the VET price will average 78 cents. According to their predictions, by 2025, VET might reach a high of 15 cents. Today, we explored the VeChain pricing predictions for 2022 to 2025 and beyond. And while the results reveal that it's a good currency to invest in, there are still some red flags. We're not only talking about historical fluctuations, but also the most recent drop in value. And as we all know, it's very, very important to consider the risks when you're investing in crypto. So, are there any other tokens that you should be looking into right now? The answer is yes. And if you want to know more about it, click on the top right hand corner of the screen to watch our video on ApeCoin. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Please also leave a comment below to tell us what you think about VeChain and its future. Do you think it'll come out of the slump? Let us know.